Hello, today topic is how to use Windows 10. How to use Windows 10. Windows 10 is the most powerful operating system the Microsoft has e- ever made, but it's also the most complex. While the user interface is extremely intuitive, you will have to a little deeper to customize your expressions, get maximum performance, and make the most of features such as the Cantona voice assistant and multiple desktops. If your skill use Windows 7 and read it's impacting that then we put together this helpful guide to ease your transition into Windows 10. How to install or manage fonts in Windows 10. How to find Windows 10 Spotlight look screen picture. How to compare document text use Windows 10. How to adjust clear type for better looking fonts on Windows 10. Blue you will find our 100 Windows 10 tips and tutorials split into 9 categories and designed to help you learn the basics, disable common annotations, save storage, or be more productive. Learning cloud computer might be easier than you think. How to upgrade to Windows 10 for free? Windows 10 can run Android apps on your PC here show Windows 10 out of the box setup. How to update Windows 10, customize Windows 10, fix and problem, Cortana tips, browser tips, performance and productivity, Scotian networking, storage and backup, file explorer tips, paint 3D tips, 7 computer pranks that will drive your friend crazy. 7 setting to change right away. Find your GPU model on Windows 10. Windows 10 keyboard shortcut to save your click. 5 ways to take screenshot. How to get to the desktop in Windows 10. Change your password in Windows 10. Uni- Uninstall programs in Windows 10. Enable or disable table mode and add a user. How to set screen time for kind. Change the screen resolutions. Sign your setting across devices. Sign your iPhone window with Windows 10. Control Windows 10 with your voice. El- Eliminated blue light with night light. Upgrade to Windows 10 from Windows 7. Add a printer set alarm. Customize Windows 10. Tweak the Windows UI so it looks and feels just the way you like it. Change the theme, adjust the icon size, or return or turn the new OS into a dead ringer for some Windows. Create custom keyboard shortcut. Create a new folder in Windows 10. Make Windows 10 look and feel like Windows 7. Change the default window font to off notification and system sound. Change your desktop background in Windows 10. Change the icon size. How to enable light mode in Windows 10. How to enable dark mode in Windows 10. How to install Windows 10 apps to an CD card or USB drive. Make your own Windows 10 theme. Hide your name on the login screen. Add another to start menu. Restore my computer to Windows desktop. Edit photo to fit as background. Save the spotlight log screen picture. Add accent color. Customize autoplay menu. Install and delete fonts, customize and action set.